not done yet. We're not done yet. This has been a good 4th of July weekend. 100 overall Carmelo, single pack opening. 100 overall Wilt Chamberlain just a little while ago. And I went and finished up that MT. I had about 56,000 MT left after that Wilt pull. And now we got a Dark Matter. So this could either be either one of the Doncic, Lucas. It could be a duplicate. Or it could be Austin Reeves. It's not a 100 overall. So let's see. See who we got. Oh, that glow. Don't we love that animation? Who is it? Uh-oh. Point guard Western. Right? It's a Doncic perform. I haven't pulled the Lucas up. Okay, point guard center. I'm going to put him to work. I could also just sell the card. But yeah, I'm going to keep that for now. Well then, let's check out all the details. That haircut they got on the point guard center Luka is hilarious. That Luka cut. Luka. That's what's up. Oh, so yeah, he's one of the bottom ones. Oh, but he sells back for 90,000. Oh, so they did it in reverse this time. Usually, since the GOAT series has been out, they have the ones that are less reviewed up here. So like these are all cheaper than the ones down here in the bottom for whatever reason. Power forward. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, welcome to the team, Luka. Let's check them out. 36 Hall of Fame badges. It still sells back for 90,000 MT. That's crazy. So I could literally sell them right now and open up like 4 more packs. But I'm going to keep them around. Is he 99 everything? No, he's not. But it's still pretty good. Now, where you going with this anyway? Let's see, does it have Bully? It does. Bully. Alright. I thought I was done when I pulled Wilt, but I had to film this. That was pretty good. Dark Matter.